Hey, so today is a little bit of a different style video. I have, as you saw in the title, 75 Kinder Joys, and I'm going to open them all up. I really don't know much about these, what you can get in them, or how often you get those things, but we will figure out. So I hope you enjoy. Let me know if you'd like to see more things like this. I don't know if I can get quite as massive of a haul of literally anything else, but I'll see what I can do. I have only ever had Kinder Joy once before, and I believe it's the same series, if they run in series, where I got this puzzle ball you had to pop together. Which is cool, I guess, but there's also like bikes and rollerblades and stuff I've seen pictures of on the boxes, so we'll see how much we get and what we get. Here is what 75 Kinder Joys look like in a basket. This whole thing is full of them, nothing underneath of them. This is just Kinder Joys. So, how do I even want to do this? How do I film this? I guess this will work. Probably want to be closer, don't you? We're gonna have to rearrange something. Some sort of game that you pop together. They have, I guess it's a spinning top, and they have a little puzzle on the back as well. Just I pop these together, clips into the egg. Oh, it actually does. And I think it's supposed to spin around the whole base, so it would have had to go a little longer. But you get the idea. This might work. Egg number 2. I'm not very good at opening these. Ooh. Okay. Rollerblades, I think. Oh, this is different too. Okay, good odds so far. So it looks like it's a little monster you fling to try to hit these targets. Here are the targets you pop out. And here's the little monster guy that you, I think, pull back. We'll have to play with these later. What are we on? Egg number 4? I'm getting the hang of it. Another option. Okay, I kind of expected to get like a billion each of like 3 or 4 different toys, so I'm actually kind of impressed right now. You guys that are familiar with Kinder Joy are probably like, yeah, I knew that. Okay. This looks like maybe some type of robot you build. I will build this guy. And it shows you some origami on the back. Paper for you to build like a set for your, it says build a stage, but he just stands in the middle of it. It's like a set for your robot. Oh, I might need these instructions. You could be creative here, because I think these pieces will pop on different ways, but okay, he's kind of cool. Egg number 5. Another option. I think this one might be a skateboard. That's pretty cool. Came with some stickers to decorate it. Oh, and it's a skateboard and a kind of ramp thing. Tunnel. Sorry if there's an actual name for that. Egg 6. This roller skates. Our first duplicate. Egg 7. Something new again. Okay, so this is sort of like that puzzle ball I showed you earlier, but different colors and shapes. Oh, something new again. It's definitely a magnifying glass. I can't quite tell if it might be a little like box to hold stuff into, hold stuff that you want to magnify. But let's see. I think, so you slide stuff under here to look at it under the microscope. You can also drop the egg. Now, on the edge here is a ruler so you can measure stuff with it. And I guess while it doesn't show this, I guess technically you could slide off one of these pieces and use kind of the inside of the egg as a place to hide things. I didn't realize how often either they'd like have you use the packaging for the toy, which was kind of cool. This is gonna take a while. Another ball. Should really be packing. I'm going out of town tomorrow, but I am opening Kinder eggs instead. Kinder Joys, my bad. Oh. Okay, this is cute. We have this little wolf, I think. You pop his two hats together and have a little cardboard tail. Right, he's kind of missing the back of his body. His tail can fold up into him. That's a confusing feature. Another new one. This one is a car. Oh, I saw that one first before you. Another little animal. Can you tell I like this one's best? Oh no, he looks a little weird. The antlers at least. He's pretty cute though. He has a gap along the side too. Okay, little another guy who you fling to meet certain goal marks. He is a different color though. Different again. Kinder Joy, you're impressing me. So this looks like a lion you fling to knock over certain point things. So you have your lion here, kind of like him, and it's kind of rubbery a little bit. The other animals were hard plastic, and I think he just sits in here. And you pull this thing back and whack him in the butt. Guys, we've barely made a dent. I'm probably gonna have to do this in more than one sitting. Another robot guy? Okay, this is a robot guy again, but different colors. Your tail's in the way. Your tail's in the way. Oh, something new. The little wizard guy, I think. Oh, he's a marker. Here we go. I kind of like him. Okay, another thing that flings at another monster. It's like the first one we got. New thing. This came with a bunch of stuff. You literally have no idea. Over each side becomes a spinner. Okay, another magnifying glass. To speed things up a bit, I'm gonna open them and you'll just get to see the new ones at this point. And updates of the plates. Updates on a few things you haven't seen. You've seen all the varieties so far, but there are some black and green roller skates. Some robot things with some purple on them and different arms. A ball, which I've not put together yet. Some spiral designs, and it's blue, green, and white. Also, in the Fleeing Lion variety, there are also these, I think, panthers or jaguars, and these cheetahs. There we go. All right, let's keep on going. Tiger. So robots are winning so far. And here's where we are in the basket. Getting a little lower. Something new. Like an ice skater fling game thing, I think. Just separate. This goes in here. It flings out. I shouldn't do this. Well. So you need another one and a friend. And you fight each other. Not fight each other. Versus each other. So this is a little rubber band propelled car. So I'm still gonna stick it with the other car, but it's like a totally different concept. You click these and it'll zoom forward. I'll have videos of these things maybe working at the end. We're getting so close. We're almost done. Just 5 left. So let's do this together. No. What? Oh, we got another thing to compete with our little shooter thing. Robot. Last one. Nice, a car we have not gotten as our last one. That's pretty good for me. That is all of them. So in order from least rare to most rare, we got 15 robots of 4 different color varieties. I'll let you know the breakdown of those color varieties after this little chat. Oh, 13 flinging cats of 4 different varieties. You got a cheetah, a tiger, a panther, and a white tiger. I mean, a cheetah, a lion, a panther, and a white tiger. Then we got 8 each of spinning tops and balls. The balls come in 4 different varieties, and the spinning tops come in 2 different varieties. 5 each of roller skates, magnifying glasses, and monster spinners. I have 4 of these little pop together animals. 3 of them are this wolf, 1 this deer. 3 each of skateboards, cars, and wizard crayons. I couldn't get the wizard crayons to work on the paper plate, but we'll try them on actual paper in a bit. The wizards only come in this 1 color option. The cars, we had 3 totally different ones. Each of these spinner things, I haven't quite grasped what they're for, what they are yet, but we'll figure that out. And then 1, the most rare of all, this animal spinner game that I don't understand. Let me know which toy was your favorite in a comment below. I think my favorite, as you kind of got from my reaction, are the animal ones. I like the cats and the wolf and the deer. Okay, what next? So if we didn't miss anything, that means there are 33 types of toys you can get from Kinder Joy. So 13 actual categories, but as far as the different things in each of those categories, there are 33 things total. That's pretty cool. This is all the excess egg parts and candy. Oh yeah, and I guess we should open at least one thing of candy too. Okay, so I was looking at these boxes, and there's a couple things that we didn't even get in any of our eggs. There's this bike, which would have been pretty cool, and these tops that are shaped like a plane and a car. And we got some tops, but they're circular. So I don't know if that's something different or not, but just to note that there's apparently some stuff we didn't get. I don't even know. I was probably doing some of these wrong. I am going to have some info on the rarity up on the screen. And also some pictures I make with these things. I definitely hope you enjoyed. I know maybe I'm not the most entertaining, energetic YouTuber out there, but I'm trying to keep it real here. So let me know your thoughts as always. Make sure to like, comment, share, subscribe if you enjoyed, and I will see you next time.